friends, how's it going? I'm Rachel. Welcome to my tiny basement soap shop. I was in the mood to show you guys a charcoal and clay hanger swirl soap today that I made with a refreshing blend of tea tree, spearmint, and eucalyptus essential oils. So I'm going to show you how I just made this a few days ago, and then we'll cut it together. And I have yet to decide on a name for this, so if any of you guys have any good ideas, let me know. Without further ado, let's go make some soap. amazed by this color combo and swirl. This is probably one of the coolest soaps I've ever made, and the smell is absolutely amazing. Totally using these in the shower. And I've noticed spearmint really slows down trace for me. I don't know if that happens to you guys. Plus, I was working with a lighter trace and lower temperature today, but this took almost 30 minutes to set up before I was ready to texture the top. And I did just kind of like a fun little feather kind of a texture on the top. So yeah, you can't really tell as much on the individual bars, but I still really like how it turned out. Thank you guys for joining me on this soapy adventure today. Hope you have a lovely rest of your day. And if you have any name ideas, like I said, put those down below because I'm looking for some inspiration, and it's always fun to hear from you guys too. I'll see you in the next one soon.